Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen for more video. This video is brought to you by Honey. Honey is a free web browser that finds you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Boost Mobile, Amazon, Walmart, and many more. Get it today by using the link in the description below. Guys, so when you click that link and download it on your browser and you make your first purchase by sending some money, it gives the channel some money as well. So check it out. You can also be a member in the description below or the little button right there. So let's get to it, guys. This video is actually brought by Edgar 1720. So that's him, guys. Thank you so much. You guys are my viewers and you guys give me information and you wanted me to make this video, so I'll bring it to you guys. Like I said, this is by Stack Social. Check out this amazing offer for people. So it says Boost Mobile prepaid unlimited talk and text, 2 gigabytes of LTE data plus a free SIM card. That's 12 months, guys. You get a whole year's worth for a good price. That also includes a free SIM card, of course, and like I said, that's 2 gigabytes. After you hit those 2 gigabytes, it's pretty downhill from there. So if you want, Boost Mobile does sell, I believe it's $5 for like a gig or something like that, where you could buy more data if you did run out through that billing cycle. So remember that it's 2 gigabytes per month that you'll be getting, and every month it'll just renew. You're basically just paying ahead for a discount. A lot of carriers do this. You know, it's kind of like a Sam's Club or maybe like a Costco where you buy in bulk, you get a big discount. So they do have a couple of discounts when you first check this website out. Like I said, I'll leave it in the description below as well. You can save an additional 10% off your purchase when you put an email if you want. You can also get $1 credit for every $25 spent via the website right here. So for 12 months, guys, you're gonna get it's usually almost $200. You're getting 51% off. It's $194, but you're getting it for $95. That's a real good steal. Like it says, Boost Mobile's free shipping. Now, you don't have to do that high of you know, 12 months or anything like that. They have different. 6 months is $50 instead of $104. 12 months, of course, it's usually $194, but you're getting it for $95, guys. Basically half off. More than half off. 2 gigabytes for 3 months is usually about $60 or $59. You get it for $30, guys. This does end, it says, in 2 days, so you probably want to get this deal. I just noticed that too. But as you can see, there's Boost Mobile, SIM cards, and all that good stuff. So says description, it says switch to Boost Mobile. Me personally, I will tell you this, haven't tried this out yet. I usually just pay month by month, so but this looks like a pretty good website. Of course, I always use PayPal or credit card for anything, but it looks like it's pretty good. So it says description, switch to Boost Mobile's expanded data network. So like I said, maybe they are going to be doing more trials with these kind of deals. So it says Boost Mobile gives you everything you could want in wireless carrier, unlimited talk and text, high-speed data with 99% nationwide coverage. Hotspot is included in all plans. With Boost Mobile, you pay for nearly everything up front and get exactly what you want. Like I said, I've seen this with Cricket. I think Cricket's done this before as well, so it's nice that Boost Mobile's doing the same thing. Like I said, I know I made a video where I was telling you that Boost Mobile's going to use AT&T's network, but currently they are still using T-Mobile's coverage, so make sure you do have coverage in your area, guys. It says more power to save with Boost Mobile. No annual contract, so it's prepaid. It says all plans include mobile hotspot. Keep your number or get a new one. Work on most unlocked GSM phones. Experience more speed, more power on America's fastest network. So like I said, this seems to be for new customers, which, like I said, it is what it is, but you know, it'd be kind of cool if maybe it was for existing. I don't know. So it says discounted mobile bundle, 47% off 12 months of unlimited talk, text, and 2 gigabytes of data every month. It's $180 value plus free 3-in-1 GSM SIM kit. Includes SIM card adapter, mini, micro, and nano. That's a $10 value, and free shipping. That's a $5 value. So you get a free $10 SIM card and a $5 free shipping. Cool. How does this work? That's good. Check out eligibility, see if your phone is compatible. That's if you bring your own phone. If you already have a Boost Mobile phone, it's gonna work. Buy the SIM card plus the plan bundle here. Wait for your SIM card activate kit to arrive via mail. Boost Mobile will email you a $180 e-pin to activate 12 months of service. So wow, so Boost Mobile is actually the one that's going to mail you this. It's pretty cool. So like I said, this is kind of letting me know that maybe Boost Mobile is going to start offering this as a service that they'll offer through their website. So if Boost Mobile's doing it, then they probably already have a system for this, you know. It says activation, select the $15 2GB plan. Make sure you click that plan. If not, you're not going to get all that data, and make sure to use the ePIN credit. So basically, they're going to give you a big lump sum of you know, 12 months of service or money, and they're going to put that, you're going to put that in your account bucket or your prepaid bucket or your balance. Device eligibility. Most unlocked GSM phones, you can check your phone's eligibility by clicking here or going through Boost Mobile's website. Here's the important stuff that we want to read. So important details, guys. This is very important to listen and read. So it says length of access is 12 months. I don't know which way you're seeing it, this way or that way, 12 months. Redemption deadline. Redeem your code within 30 days of purchase. This code's only good for 30 days. If you hold it and you're like, I'm activated, and in 6 months from now, it's probably going to expire. It's kind of like milk. Limited to 2 phones per customer. So cool. Once you get your SIM in the mail, activate your SIM and start your unlimited talk, text, and 2GB data plan. You can either do it through there, or you can do it through Boost Mobile's website. Just go through Boost Mobile's website. It says, look out for the following: tracking information for your SIM card. You will receive it via email. So once it ships, you'll get a tracking. Second, email with your ePIN credit, which will be needed during activation. When you receive your SIM card kit in the mail, you will visit activate.boostmobile.com to activate your SIM. Do not forget to use your ePIN credit during the activation process to receive your prepaid unlimited talk, text, and 2GB. And I have been seeing these ads for it, and I was like, what is this? Like I said, so we'll take a look at more of this. Like I said, it says you can activate your plan here, which, like I said, it's not active, but I don't know, man. Is this for real? What do you guys think? I don't know. It's kind of sketchy. Okay, so maybe they just put the wrong thing right there. Like I said, disclosure, I've never really tried something like this, but I know that other carriers do offer it. Like I said, if you click here, it says not found, so I'm not sure if they just didn't put it correct. Another thing you've got to watch out for is they misspelled Boost Mobile. It says activate. Let's see if we even go there. Yeah, see, I think they just, maybe it's just typing error. I'm not too sure. Like I said, I'm not going to fully endorse it, but I know this is something that they're offering, not Boost Mobile officially, but like I said, this is Stack Social. So this is kind of more like an awareness and also a promotional video of what they're doing. Nobody's paying me to do this. So like I said, don't think I am. So like I said, but those are basically the steps, guys. That says, like I said, that's a typo there. So yeah, I'm not too sure what's up with that. It says you should receive a tracking number within 2 business days of placing your order, and your ePIN credit will be delivered via email shortly after you get tracking information. This deal is only available through this offer online. Online availability for new customers. So this is for new customers, expected to be these days. So let me know in the comments below, guys. I mean, looks like they do have quite a bit of deals going on. This is, like I said, more like a Sam's Club or Costco deal. So pretty cool. You can get 12 months of service for only $95 a month. I do see some carriers doing this, but like I said, I've never really tried this website. So do tread with caution. Like I said, if you put it in your cart, and let's say you just go to checkout, there's 10 coupons found. So I see Honey. Let's see if it does anything. But pretty cool. So Honey does try to find you the best promo codes and everything. So it's using different codes that has been used on the website before. So let's see what it does. So it's doing all that. I mean, you're already getting pretty good discount. So they do, another cool thing that I do see, they do have a PayPal option, which kind of secures it a little bit more. I would definitely say don't put a debit or credit card on there. If you have a PayPal, try that. It's just better to do it that way. Like I said, if it does, something does happen, you know, you can definitely get dispute that with PayPal and everything. So check it out, guys. Like I said, I thought this was informative, and you know, it's a pretty cool deal if it is legit. Like I said, I don't want to say 100% it is because I'm not too sure. It probably is, but you know, I like to be on the safe side always. So check it out. Just a promotional thing that I thought was cool since it's through Boost Mobile. Like I said, not through them officially, but you know, it's Boost Mobile related, and that's usually what the channel is about, or prepaid deals. So check it out. And like I said, I would say if you're gonna get this deal, do the prepaid, PayPal option. So check it out, guys. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments honestly below what you guys think about this. Is this real? Has anybody tried it? If someone does try it, let us know if it does work. So thank you, guys.